Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today's the product we want to share with you is our hard sealing valve assembly, and now let's see it together. Firstly, I will introduce you the outside packages, the blue VCI anti-rust back here. This is the label. And the first line of the label is our Shumatt's brand. The second line is the product code F00RJ02506. Actually, we support customized service, include the logo label packages, etc. And inside of it, it's the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the translation. And now we will check the inside product. 1 layers of oil paper to wrap it up. Each product supplies 6 months warranty time. You got the quality guaranteed. And for this one, the applicable injector number is 04451201999. And applicable for vehicle car is Cummins. This is the valve cap. There is the coating figures on the groove and the valve rod. If you want to install the valve assembly, first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position. Second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly up the injector body. That's the tips I would like to share with you. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for stay with me. Let's see you next time. Bye.